Victor Sears. I've been watching some videos on some Vortex based math that people have been putting out and free energy and all that, so I thought I'd start something really simple. Show apparently my math is too complex or something, my fractal geometry, so I'm going to show natural, law and order, simple geometry of how it starts, and we'll build up the fractal nature of geometry from there. So we'll start with natural, law, and order. Everything we know about the universe comes from electric charges and magnetic poles. Matter, the electron and hydrogen, for instance. We'll go there. Electron and hydrogen. If you have two north poles or two positive charges, they will both repel. If you have two south poles or two negative charges, they also will repel. But a north and south pole and a positive and negative charge will both attract. You'll get current. You can build batteries and circuits this way. That's how the oscillator works and the Earth's charges. It's a 2-to-1 ratio. Well, in alchemy, you'll have three basic parts: charge, magnetism, and space.
Your hands cast in shadow.
But how can we represent space? Well, I say numbers. And even the CERN guys with the Large Hadron Collider say that all matter is made up of vibrating fields of numbers. Well, in numbers, if you have two even numbers and you add them together, you'll get another even number. You add two odd numbers together, you also get an even number, because the two are evenly spaced in the number line. That's the order. You add an even and an odd, you finally get another odd. Once again, a 2-to-1 ratio like magnetism and electric charges. So altogether we have 9 combinations of interactions between magnetism, numbers, electricity, and space. So we can actually see space with the numbers then. So let's check out the natural law and order then if we were to follow this with numbers. And we'll create a number line using this law.
Shooting.
Okay, so following this natural law and order, we'll start with 1, an odd number, and add another odd, and we get an even. 1 and 1 is 2. Okay, I like that, it works. So we keep counting. 1 plus 2, that's an odd and an even again, so we get another odd. Oh, it works, so we keep going. An even and an odd should give us another odd. Well, I was expecting 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That would be order, right? Because we would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That would be order, but we're getting something else. But we can keep going. We have an odd and an odd again, which we know makes an even. 3 and 5 is 8. Yes, it keeps going. Well, for those of you that recognize Vortex-based mathematics, this is the Fibonacci sequence, built right into nature's natural order. Why? The ratio of the Fibonacci sequence comes to 1.618, the golden number. The electric charge of the electron is 1.601 times 10 to the negative 19th coulombs of electricity. Big amount of charge. But the point is, the number of its charge is 1.6, the golden ratio. It also is the first thing of creation. It spit out hydrogen and helium, the first 2 particles. So since this number system's all built in, we can look at it then, both Fibonacci and Lucas, as being hydrogen and helium.